Hi, my name is Jason and I'm a Shiva Murti healer and a Shiva Murti teacher. I offer a 7-week course in Shiva Murti Healing. The class meets for 2 hours on Zoom once a week for 7 weeks. This will be taught on Zoom where you can study this in the comfort and safety of your own home. I am a Ghana Asada level 6 healer. I was trained by Master Healer and High Priest Ratu Nabe in Bali, Indonesia. Ratu Nabe is an incredible being that's filled with light and love, and he's constantly in ceremony and connection. Ratu Nabe, through his deep commitment and connection, has really taken this healing work to new heights. In this practice, we also work with the Vedic chakra system and awakening the kundalini fire. What we do is we activate our kundalini energy and raise it up and run it through our entire body so we can use it in our healing work. This work uses this information and uses these deep techniques for cultivating our inner energies and connecting to these universal laws and energies. This work is rooted in the Vedas. In the Indus Valley civilization, this ancient culture was really focused on exploring our inner consciousness. They developed meditation, they've developed mudras and mantras and also yoga. Through these different techniques, they were able to explore their inner consciousness. These inner seekers were called rishis. What they would do is they would go deep into meditation, and while they were deep into meditation, they would get these revelations and downloads, and they would take these downloads and they would translate them into mantras. With these mantras, they were easily transferred from teacher to student. And this happened for generations. Over 1,000 years, they were passing this information on orally. And then finally, this information began to be written down in the Vedas. This is where this work comes from. It comes from this tradition of inner exploration and tapping into these universal laws. In this daily practice, we'll be sitting deep within our stillness, invoking universal laws and energies. We'll be using our mantra to invoke totality, to invoke the divine masculine, divine feminine, to invoke the elements, to invoke our own guides. And through all this, we'll be raising our kundalini energy, our kundalini fire, raising that shakti all the way up to connect to all these energies. This practice is truly wonderful and next level. We also learn all the testing points on the body and how to do a full body healing session. And we learn how to heal remotely, how to do it on a photo or on FaceTime or also on Zoom. Whether you want to create a full healing practice in your life, or if you just want to heal your friends and your family and your pets, or if you just want a spiritual practice that's deeply connecting, Siwa Murti is an incredible path and journey to take. Doing this healing work, it's an incredible opportunity to be of service to people. To be able to help people out of their pain and their ailments is such a gift. Please check out my website for more information. The class will meet for 2 hours a day, once a week for 7 weeks.